This 2026 Jayco Eagle 335 LSTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 38 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 3, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, TV, slide-out, external shower, oven, smoke detector, refrigerator. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.